I recognize the honourable member for King South.
Well, thank you, Speaker. Speaker, I rise today to recognize Shaun Whynacht, the creator and operator of Blue Cow Marketing, for his outstanding work, entrepreneurial spirit, and commitment to sharing his expertise with others. Through Blue Cow Marketing, Shaun has built a trusted local business that helps entrepreneurs and organizations strengthen their brands, tell their stories, and reach new audiences. In addition to his client work, Shaun regularly offers online workshops and delivers marketing classes through Chamber of Commerce, providing practical, accessible training that supports small businesses and emerging entrepreneurs across our region and beyond. Shaun's willingness to share his knowledge, combined with his creativity and professionalism, has had a meaningful impact on our business community. Small businesses like Blue Cow Marketing play an important role in our local economy, and Shaun's dedication to education, innovation, and community connection is something we can all be proud of. Please join me in congratulating Shaun Whynacht on his continued success and thanking him for his positive contribution he makes to our business community. Thank you.